domain and range. Example, f of x equals 1x plus 7 over x minus 7. So we take x minus 7 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 7. So all set of real numbers except 7. In notation, x such as x is a set of all real numbers such as x is not equal to 7. So we continue to range. So we just give an example, we place it here. F of x is equal to 1x plus 7 over x minus 7. We change f of x to y equals 1x plus 7 equals x minus 7. So y times x minus 7, y, close, open and close parenthesis, x minus 7 equals to, bring down 1x plus 7, then we bring down 1x plus 7. Cancel. Okay. Sorry, talo naman tayo eh. Nagkakamali naman. So y times x and y times negative 7, xy equals what the fuck? X times what? Y times x and y times negative 7 minus y, bring down, equals to 1x plus 7. So we transpose negative 7y to the right and 1x to the left. Copy xy 1x then equals to 7y, negative 7y pala plus 7. Gets? So the next step is we need to find the common monomial factor, which is x. We cancel the 2y, yeah, equals to 7y plus 7 over, yeah, yes. Go. So x equals 7y plus 1 over 7y 1. Okay, so y, we take y minus 1 is equal to 0, y equals 1. So the set of all real numbers except 1. In notation, y such as y is a set of all real numbers such as y pala, y is equal to not 1. Tada! So this is how you solve the domain and range of example f of x equals 1x plus 7 over x minus 7. Yeah.